Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1970 Chevy C10. This truck's had an immaculate frame-off restoration with a lot of custom touches. Now if you got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Chevy, and then we'll get it on a lift and out on the highway as well. As you look across the front, you'll notice that the bumpers along with the grille are in excellent condition and all appear to have been replaced whenever the restoration was done. It also gives you your first opportunity to look down the sides, and you see that they're straight as an arrow. Now as we come around the driver's side, you'll notice you got the custom 502 callouts here on the front fender. You'll also notice that we got the custom front glass and the custom rear glass here. Now before we go on around the outside, I want you to come on up and we'll take a look here at the interior. On the inside, it's accented by the black, which is perfect for the exterior color scheme and the tinted windows. Now looking at the dash, you'll notice we got custom digital gauges with the white faces. You'll also notice that the radio's been upgraded along with the vintage AC system. Now as we come on around, you'll see the kick panels have the speakers built in. You'll also notice that the door panels are in great condition and that we have the custom bench seat. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue around the outside. You can see how great that door shuts and fits. As we come across the back, you'll notice the rear bumper has been replaced along with the taillight lenses and the bezels. You'll also notice here on the corner of the bed that we've got these custom matte black stripes that really set this truck off. As you come around the passenger side, I'll take a step back so that way you can get a good appreciation for just how beautiful this truck is. As you can see, these body lines are as close to perfect as you're going to see, and that the Tuxedo Black paint has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine. You also notice that we got these custom 20 and 22-inch intro wheels with the redline tires that really do a great job of showing off this Z06 four-wheel disc brake conversion. If you want to come on up, we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. As I mentioned earlier, it features a 502 engine under the hood. As you can see, we've got upgrades all around. We got the built specialty True Track system here on the front with the serpentine belt system. You also notice that we got the aluminum heads along with headers and the custom valve covers and breather. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this C10, I'll get it pulled around there so that way you can take a close look at this frame-off restoration. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Let's get this truck around there so that way you can take a close look underneath it, and then we'll get it out on the highway as well. Now that we have this C10 on the lift, we can get a better appreciation for this frame-off restoration. As you can see, everything has been detailed to a high level. The frame is in excellent condition and has been C-notched to handle the lowered suspension. Now on the front, you can see that new end link and control arm bushings have been installed, along with new ball joints. The 502 engine is mated to the 400 turbo trans that runs out back to the 12-volt rear end with around a 373 gear. For exhaust, it has headers with 3-inch pipes and MagnaFlow mufflers. Now out back, you can see that a new gas tank has been installed along with new fuel lines and brake lines that feed the Corvette Z06 four-wheel disc brakes. Now before we get this C10 out on the highway, let's take another close look at how solid all of the frame and floors appear to be.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.